Hi, welcome to Fleetfoot's new website with the new order entry process. So today, right in this video, we're going to take a quick tour here of how to place an order on the new system. And as you can see, you should go to fleetfootmessenger.com to make sure you're going to the right URL and click on Order Now. Here we are. You come to this type of screen and it shows your spot for your username and your password. Mine auto-filled. Yours will too after you get it all set up, and it's go. All right, so it brings you to the order screen, and right away it auto-fills in all your company name and information, assuming that you've already gone in and set that up in the preferences. So it fills this in, and I have a delivery today that we're going to walk through, but unfortunately it's not coming from my office at Creative Consulting. Instead, it is going to the famous, you know what it is, that's right, the famous Biscuit Emporium on Pike Street. That fictitious company is where we're going to make the pickup. And you can just, and when you enter it the first time, click on Add to Address Book or on My Address Book Only, and it will stay there. And then when you want to, you can just start typing in the first letter or two and then hit the lookup button. And bingo, you will be able to see all the information autofill in. Now, where is it going to? Well, it's going to a place I've already put into my address book, and it's going to be something we look up, and there it is, X-Rays R Us on Humpty Dumpty Lane in Bellevue, another fictitious company, and we're setting it all up, and boy, we're ready to go. If it's your first time, make sure you just click the address book. Now, notes. Well, I've got to put a note in here. Kill this job because it is phony. Well, I can't type very fast or good, but here we go. That's going to go, I have to put that in there because this is a real job that we're doing this whole process with, and it'll go straight to the dispatch screen. So the dispatcher will see it and go, not familiar with Humpty Dumpty Lane because it doesn't exist. All right, so we move right along here. How many pieces? Is it 2 boxes, 5, 10, 1? One box, it's not even a box, it is a giant biscuit, 500 pounds, the largest biscuit in the history of the world. Ready time is right now. When do I want it delivered? I want it delivered today, but if I didn't, if I wanted to schedule it for a day in the future, I could do so right here. But no, I want it today. Is it a COD? We're not making them pay for this. This is a gift, the most wonderful gift. Declared value will automatically cover everything up to $100. And in this case, of course, this giant biscuit is priceless, so there's no point in filling anything in there. What kind of vehicle? Well, most of the time you just need a car, okay? But if you got something big, you're going to need something a little larger. So maybe a minivan or a straight truck or an SUV. But no, I think a minivan is what I need. Whoops. A minivan. There we are. The description. Go ahead. 2 boxes, 5 boxes, whatever it is. But you put in this case, we will type in large biscuit. Okay. Service level. How fast do you want to get it done? You've got a lot of choices. All the things that start with B are bike delivery jobs. Bike servicing downtown Seattle only. If you're downtown and it's a small item the bike can handle, then pick one of the bike jobs. Otherwise, it's a vehicle job. So you got vehicle rush or vehicle same day, vehicle standard 2 hour. That's what I want. That'll get it there in time, and that biscuit is going to be still in great shape. Package type, you don't have to fill this in, but if you want to, it helps. It's groceries, I guess. I don't know. I've never shipped a large biscuit before. All right. Do you have a reference code here for billing to help you remember how to bill this job? Well, I put in BF for Biscuit Fun. That's right. Whatever your code is, put it on in there. I would like to get an email when it gets delivered. So I put my email address in and send it to me when it's delivered. If you want to have it sent there when it's picked up, you can do that too. And also delivered, you can add that as well. So in this case, we're done. Now, I will just say here, if I wanted to save this, because I'm going to be sending a big biscuit to X-Rays R Us every day of the week for the next 10 years, or something like that, you just put something in here. And I would call this, Biscuit Fun, and click the button here. And then later, when you go to do it again, you can just do easy ship here where you pull it up and it fills it all in automatically for you and you're ready to go. That's helpful because sometimes it's a little bit of a wait when you put the order through. Now we're ready to go for it. We plug it in right here, and when the order grays, it means that the computer system is thinking. And now, depending on what time of the day it is and how busy we are, this could take a few seconds. And so just be prepared and keep watching because it's not through yet. It did not go through to the dispatch screen until it is failing to be grayed. And so you keep watching it, and pretty soon it will change. You know, always have a book handy. I like to have a book. I got War and Peace here, and I'm chapter 13 already, so I'm just moving along. So give it a couple of moments. It will get done, and when it does, it will brighten up, and it will give you an order number at the top of the screen and the bottom of the screen so that you know that it's totally completed. It is on the dispatcher's screen already the moment you see that, and there it goes. Thank you for your order. It is a number 130577754, and you're in business. That's all you got to do. Now, you can also use the site for tracking, for other reports, for paying your bills, for setting your preferences. You can just kind of look around here and surf around. In administration, you click that, and that's where you can create a new personal account or change user passwords or edit your profiles, whatever you'd like to do. Anyway, this is more powerful than our previous site. Gives you a lot more things to do, including on billing. You can pay the bill. So go ahead and explore. Use this. We hope it works for you. And if you have any questions, you can certainly give us a call. Thank you for viewing.